Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to recover your administrator account on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If your administrator account is missing, deleted, or not showing up correctly, follow these steps to restore it without wasting any more time. Let's jump right in. First, open your Start menu and search for Settings. In the Settings window, scroll down and look for Windows Update. Then select Advanced Options and scroll down. Find Recovery Options, then under Recovery, locate Advanced Startup and click on Restart Now. Make sure you save and close any open applications before restarting. Once you've done that, your computer will restart. Wait for a few seconds. When it boots up, you will see the Advanced Startup Options screen. Click on Troubleshoot. Then select Advanced Options, choose Startup Settings, and click on Restart. When your computer restarts again, you will be presented with a startup option. Simply press F5 on your keyboard to boot into safe mode with networking. Your computer will restart. Once you're in safe mode, right-click on your taskbar and choose Task Manager. In Task Manager, click on the Users tab, locate the current user, right-click on it, and choose Manage User Account. This will open a new window. In the Manage User Account window, select your account by clicking on Change Your Account Type. If prompted, enter the administrative password. Make sure your account is set to Administrator, then click on Change Account Type to save the changes. After doing that, close all windows and restart your computer. Go to the Start menu, then restart your computer. Once it boots up, your administrator account should be recovered and fully functional. You have successfully recovered your administrator account on Windows 11 and 10. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.